students, welcome back to our basic science class. For last few classes we were discussing the chapter reaping gold from soil, and we studied the different methods in vegetative propagation. They are layering, grafting and budding. Layering is the development of roots on a stem and the plantlet having the qualities of the parent plant. Grafting and budding are the two methods used to produce superior quality plantlets. In grafting, we are joining the stems of two plants of the same species, and in budding, a bud is grafted instead of grafting a branch to another plant. Examine the peculiarities of these two varieties. To produce good saplings with the qualities of both the varieties, you can either adopt grafting or budding. For that, variety 1 is selected as stock and variety 2 is selected as scion. High yield, disease resistant, and active growth in the soil are the qualities of the new plant formed by combining the two varieties. We have seen so far how plants of same kind but with different qualities are combined together to form good quality saplings. What other methods can be used to produce better seeds? Before that, examine these two pictures. First one is the tall variety and second one is the dwarf variety. Let's go through the advantages and disadvantages of these two varieties. First one, tall variety. It has a long lifespan, that is 80 to 100 years. So its yielding period is also long, 6 to 10 years. That means long period is necessary to get good yield. It is about 20 to 30 meter high, so it is very difficult to collect seeds. But its wood is hard, so it is used in various ways. Second one is dwarf variety. It is about 8 to 10 meter high, so seeds can be collected very easily. Also, its lifespan is short, 30 to 35 years. It gives yield in 4 to 5 years. Its wood is soft, so it is not useful. We have analyzed the advantages and disadvantages of tall and dwarf varieties. What will be the qualities of a new seed produced by combining tall and dwarf varieties? Yes. The combined variety has medium height and have the lifespan in between the two varieties. It gives yield in short period of time. The quality and color of the seed may vary. Hybridization is the method of producing new seeds through artificial pollination between plants of the same species but of different characteristics. Seeds formed in this manner may combine advantages, disadvantages and mixed qualities of the both parent plants. Seeds with desired qualities are selected from these. Let's see the hybrid varieties of different crops. Coconut, Chandralaksha, Chandrashankara and Lakshaganga. Paddy, Pavitra, Hrassa and Annapurna. P. Lola, Malliga, Bhagyalakshmi and Jyotika. Green chilli, Ujjwala, Jwalamukhi and Anugraha. Good quality seeds of different crops can be developed in this manner. Many research activities are being conducted in Kerala to produce such superior varieties of seeds. Along with it, what should be made possible in the agricultural sector? Yes, high yield, quick yield, resistance to infections, lower nurturing cost, availability of quality seeds and planting materials. Agricultural research institutes function to fulfill these needs. Kerala Agricultural University Mannuthi, Central Tuber Crops Research Institute Srikaryam, Indian Institute of Spice Research Kozhikode, Rubber Research Institute of India Kottayam, Central Plantation Crops Research Institute Kasaragod, and Regional Research Centers of Kerala Agricultural University Ambalavai. These are some of the agricultural research institutes in our state. It is through the Krishi Bhavan that seed varieties and planting materials developed by research institutes are brought to farmers. The other services that we get from the Krishi Bhavan are supply seeds and fertilizers in the lowest rate, give financial support and give subsidies for irrigation and activities to prevent soil erosion, encourage group farming, introduce many activities to attain self-protection in vegetables, arrange facilities for soil testing, arrange awards and other benefits to best farmers, and conduct seminars and other awareness programs to aware the farmers about the modern techniques in the agricultural field. Students, let's conclude today's session. Today we have discussed about hybridization, hybrid varieties of seeds, agricultural research institutes, and also about Krishi Bhavan. See you in the next class. Thank you.